Ever heard this saying, read more, or if you see the little bumper sticker on the back that just says read, and you're like me, you're like me where we were just like, well, I'm not much of a reader. I don't really read a whole lot of books. That was me a while ago, but until I just kept hearing multiple different leaders that I have come to love and respect and admire, they keep saying the same thing, and that's read more books. Read the books that we're reading. Read the books that are inspiring to us. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That was one of the ones I kept hearing over and over and over again. And I went back, bought the book, read it all the way through, and I was pleasantly surprised how a rich father will raise his children to think differently about money versus a poor father who will get his child to think about, like, just get a job, get benefits, get good pay, and get a retirement going. Whereas like a rich father is always trying to get his children to say, learn a skill, invest, and be have multiple different income streams coming in rather than just one. And you can do that through real estate. You can do that through whatever business you are attracted to. And it's just so neat because like I've never had an influence. I've never known a rich person like in all my life where like that person is like so wealthy that they can do anything, they can buy anything. And I was just like, well, I'm just gonna read this book, and I'm glad I did. And then from there, I bought a couple other books, and then I just kept buying more books, and then you just start to see how their communication is so clear on what they're doing, and then how you can be helped with that. So get out there and just start reading more books. And I'm going to encourage you to start reading the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and buy it now and just start reading that because that is a phenomenal book. I actually inspired a few people to read it inside of my workplace, and one of them is even going to go, he said he was going to get the audio version of it. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Like it, like the video, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.